Hey there, today I have a Trendsend box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Trendsend, it is another one of those online styling services similar to Stitch Fix and others where you have a personal stylist select items of clothing and or accessories for you based on a style profile that you complete. So one difference with Trendsend is all of the items come from the Evereve store. So if you're not familiar with Evereve, they do have a website and you can check out their clothes there. Also, there's no styling fees. Most other styling services have a $20 fee, but with Trendsend, there's no fee. There's also no buy all discount like others, but you can get a 20% off discount if you refer a friend and a friend signs up for the service. And that's what happened. I do have a 20% off discount on this box. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay, so this is actually my third time trying Trendsend. The last time I actually didn't end up keeping anything. My experience has been that Trendsend's been kind of on the pricier side and a lot trendier than say Stitch Fix. But this time when I ordered the box, I asked if I could get more affordable pieces, like nothing more than $100. But anyway, here's my box, and it's very neatly wrapped in 3 bundles. Oh, let's see if you can see that. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, so with Trendsend you get 3 complete outfits, which is nice. So they usually send about 5 to 7 pieces. So here's the prepaid mailer to send anything that I don't want back, and shipping is free both ways. So also I have a note from my stylist, which she summarizes the 3 outfits that I got, and also an invoice, which lists everything I got. And actually I am pleasantly surprised. All the items in this box are under $100. The most expensive item in this box is $55.20. So yeah, we'll see. This might be good. All right, so it seems like each time I do get a different stylist. So my stylist this time is Emma, and she signs her name with a little heart after it, which is cute. Anyway, so she just says, and I won't read the whole thing, I had so much fun styling you today. You'll find fresh looks for summer in Hawaii that will easily transition you from day to night. Have fun trying everything on and let me know how it all works for you. Okay, so there's 3 bundles. And there's each of them has a little sticker. So I got 1, 2, this one's heavier, and 3. So that's the 3rd bundle. Okay, so bundle number 1, the first thing I got are these earrings. And they're just little stud earrings. And they look like this. And they are $17.99 for 3 earrings, and they're just kind of cute basic earrings, and $17.99 is not a bad price. My price, it actually says, is $10.39. $10 for this. That might be a definite possibility. Okay, next. Ooh, I like this. Well, we'll see. It's a cute little tank top, and I love the color. It's pretty. It's by ALLISON Joy, and it is a size small, and it's the Ariel Scallop Hem Tank. It says it's $58, but I do have a 20% out discount, so I'll get that for $46.40. So yeah, not bad. Very pretty, and it has a scalloped hem on the bottom, so it's kind of a raw hem. They just cut it like that. So I don't know how that works, if it eventually will fray, but yeah, I like this. It's very cute. I'm kind of into red now, although I only have 1 red top that I just bought, but I'm into it. Okay, next. I don't see how this is an outfit. This is not an outfit. But anyway, this is another top. It's cute. It's by ALLISON Joy, which is a brand I've only seen ever at Trendsend, or I guess Evereve. This one is on sale for $59.99, so my price would be $47.99. Yeah, so very cute. This is nice. It's got kind of like an eyelet top. So I'm pretty sure you'd want to wear something underneath because there's like little pukas. But anyway, yeah, it's cute. We'll try it. Outfit number 2. I'm kind of enjoying this Trendsend. Okay, the first item is, it's a white t-shirt, and it's by Z Supply, and it's $38. And it's, I can tell, a white t-shirt, but it's a little on the thin side. And I do have a lot of white t-shirts actually, but I do like that it's a V-neck. So with the discount, I would get it for $30.40. Okay, next I have these linen shorts, And I do like these actually. They have like a elastic tie waist. It's by Sanctuary in a size medium, and they're $69. So I get them for $55.20. So that's still kind of pricey, but these are really cute. So I'm gonna have to try this on. I guess it'll look really cute with that white t-shirt, but yeah, cute. Okay, my last outfit. Okay. Oh, so the first item, oh, this is very nice, but I have something very similar already. So this is by ALLISON Joy, and it's the Charlie Open Cardy. So yeah, this is a very nice cardigan. I like it. It's nice and light, so it's a good summer cardigan. This is $48, which isn't a bad price for a cardigan, and I'd get it for $38.40. So yeah, this is really cute. I have so many cardigans though. Okay, and next, oh wow, what is it? Is it a dress or, yeah, this is a dress. It's kind of sheer. I don't like sheer dresses. It's by the brand BRAEVE. That's another brand I've only seen at Trendsend or Evereve. This one's been marked down a lot. Can you see that? Started off at $68, then it went to $59.99, then it went to $39.99, then it went to $24.90, and finally $24.99. It went up. But anyway, okay, so $24.99 for this dress. That seems like a ridiculous deal, so we'll have to try it. Okay, lastly, I have a dress, it looks like, a navy dress, and it's by Collective Concepts. Size medium. This is also marked down. Originally $78 and it's $54.99, and it is the Tilly dress. So my price would be $43.99. So this is very nice. I think this is cute. It has kind of ruffly sleeves. It does look like it's boxy, but it has a tie belt. It does feel like it's a dry clean only type fabric, and it's lined. That's nice. Yeah, so this is a possibility. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Trendsend box this month, and I got 8 items in this box. Wow. So a lot of things to try on, and we'll see. It's very promising. I'm actually surprised. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead and try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top, and this is really pretty. I like it actually, and it's kind of a crepey polyester material with a very pretty bright red print. And actually the stylist in her note said that this could be worn, both tops could be worn with white jeans, but unfortunately my white jeans are in the wash, so I'm just pairing them with some dress pants. So I think this could be a nice work outfit. And she said you could also throw that gray cardigan over this. So yeah, you could also wear it like this. But yeah, I don't think so. But anyway, okay, but yeah, it's a very pretty top, and I like it. Good for summer. Okay, so here is the second top, the black eyelet top, and I put a tank top underneath because, again, with the little pukas, the holes. I honestly think it kind of is unflattering. It has this kind of tie waist, so, you know, kind of like, I don't know, I think it just looks a little bulky, and I don't think it's the most flattering top. I don't think I would wear this. Okay, so here is the second outfit, which is just this Z Supply white tee. And I actually don't think it is too sheer. I mean, it's a little bit sheer, but it's not too bad. And I just have it tucked into the linen shorts. And these are the shorts from Sanctuary, and actually they're very cute. They're just pull-on. They have elastic waist and its own tie belt, and it has pockets. So yeah, very cute. It's a cute casual outfit. I mean, I would totally wear this, but I don't know if it's worth the price, to be honest. Like, just, I mean, I have other t-shirts, and one thing, the shorts are linen, and so that means it probably needs to be ironed, and it would wrinkle a lot. So yeah, but a very cute outfit. It's like safari chic. Okay, so here is the first dress. And it's actually more of a tunic. And in her note, Emma said that I could wear it as a tunic and pair it with white jeans. Although, like I said, my jeans are in the wash. So I just paired it with some black leggings. So, but anyway, here's the second dress. And this is, I think, a definite no for me. Yeah, I don't think I'd ever wear this ever, but okay, it's not bad though, just not me. Okay, here is the last dress, which is okay. I honestly don't think this is very flattering. I'm not really a big fan of these sleeves. I mean, It's okay though. I mean, I don't think this is, she said this was a one and done, like a work dress, which possibly, but yeah, I don't know. It is kind of very feminine with all the ruffles, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of this dress. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Trendsend box this month. And so with Trendsend, you actually have 5 days to try everything on and decide what you want to keep before checking out. So right now, I think the only things I kind of like, I really like this red top. I'm kind of debating about this sweater, even though I have a very similar sweater to this. I did really like this sweater. The weight of it was nice. But I think my stylist, Emma, did a really good job. And I do feel just by looking through what she wrote that she did listen to my request, and she also looked at my Pinterest board, so that was nice. Anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos and also some shopping hauls. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.